Good morning, this is Oz ADV Rider. I'm in the Grampians near the beginning of the Glenelg River. I'm going to be following this river all the way to the ocean in the small township of Nelson in the southwestern corner of Victoria. It's looking like an alright day. It's been very foggy on the way here. This is the river here. We've got a crossing straight up, pretty deep. I'm going to stick to that right hand side, see how we go. Oh, that's soft. Yeah, I'm at the northern end of the Grampians. I was originally going to begin this journey at the southern end, closer to the start of the river, but a lot of the tracks I was going to do, a lot of the roads I was going to do had road closures, so here I am. We've had a lot of rain in the last week, so I'm expecting a lot of these puddles. This track's quite sandy. Where am I going here? I'm taking a ride, am I? Look at this. Look at that. That would be an emu print. That's huge. I don't know, small ones are probably wallaby, but that would be emu. Yeah, beautiful place, the Grampians. Lots of wildlife. Yeah, it's funny up here, you're in this really rocky mountains, really harsh landscape, and the trucks are all sandy. Why is it trying to turn me around? Am I going the right way or not? I should be able to just keep going. Oh, I've got some ruse. So the map's decided I can go through this way. I just came through a really greasy section. No control at all, just sliding everywhere. So yeah, it's a bit better now. Back into some gravel. Lots of ruse about too, so I'll be just putting along. It's been a pretty wet and wild week, so I'm expecting lots of mud. All this stuff's unknown to me. I've never ridden down this way. Am I supposed to be going that way? I think so. Wow, that stuff's slippery. Holy shit. I thought it looked slippery, but man, oh man, I wasn't prepared for that. I don't think we've got too much more of this track, so I'm just going to have to take it steady. I might just try and stick to the side a bit. This is hard packed green shit. Whew, righto, keep moving. I think we're good. Righto, back on the main road. Really annoying that stack, it was a bloody wrong turn. Very annoyed. Could have been all avoided. Anyway, keep going. Glenelg River. Now there is nothing about, so we'll just have a look. Oh wow, she's a bit wider here, isn't it? Well, it is that side. So the Glenelg River is about 350 kilometres long, starts in the Grampians, and it sort of zigzags its way down to the southwest corner of Victoria, Australia, in a little township of Nelson. So it does cross into South Australia for a little bit. There's about a 4k stretch in South Australia and comes back into Victoria. Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. Just stops here. Wow. Just coming into the township of Harrow, there's the Glenelg River. We'll come back across here in a minute. Finally got myself out of that Rocklands area. I ended up doing a big loop and went back through Cherrypool, so lost a lot of time there. Yeah, we'll just have a quick look here and we'll keep moving. Yeah, so the Glenelg runs behind the town here. Yeah, nice little town. There's the pub.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. Church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you own.
Yeah, it's not a bad spot. All the noise you can hear is from the Forest North site. One advantage with this site here, it's on its own, where 1 to 3 is all together, but it's closer to the river, so give or take. No sign of firewood. Don't think I'll be having a fire. Everything that is laying around's wet. Right, I want to cook up something to eat because I'm getting hungry already. It actually cooked up pretty well. Got sausages, onions, buns, barbecue sauce, and rosemary tea. Good morning. It is a beautiful fresh morning. Oh, I got my bacon and egg rolls. I got more bacon cooking. I actually slept pretty well last night. That's better than it looks. All packed up. Think I've got everything. Nothing left behind. Rightio. Sorry nature, but it's time to make some noise. So this last section was the highlight of the trip for me. It was all unknown, not knowing if the truck would go through or not. And just, not knowing what to expect. I followed River Road, which ran alongside the river, but you couldn't see a lot of it because of the trees, so a little bit of height helped here. The track went between gravel, dirt and sand, nothing too hard, but I was taking it very easy because there was a lot of wildlife about. I found a nice lookout along the way, which looked over the river. This section of Dry Creek's track was probably the softest sand I came across. I then turned onto McHugh's track, which took me over the South Australian border, ran along the border for about 800 metres and back into Victoria. I then followed McMoore's track all the way to North Nelson Road and followed it into Nelson, crossed the river for one last time and then turned around and went back over it because I was going the wrong way. I then rode down Beach Road to my final destination of Discovery Bay Estuary Beach. Well, we made it. It's been an absolutely amazing trip. Awesome to see this river go from a little trickle to this massive estuary. Leads out into the ocean. I can see surf out there. Way too far to walk. We're going to send the drone, have a look. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I shall see you next time.
Morning comes too early, hands already warm, working for a better day, trying to keep me warm. Boss man count his tally, we just count our turn. Fair don't come easy, I had to stand and fight for mine. Oh Lord, hear me now. Working better day, keep me warm. People talk about difference, but I just see the same. Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep. Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay. So sing a song for mercy, sing it clear and kind. things are mine.